No, wait, I'm just gonna do it like right behind him. Right.
Wait, here we go. 2 more people.
Are these hookers? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Dude, they stopped.
That was so loud.
Oh, here we go. Get ready.
Go.
1, 2. Hooker. Oh my god, look, this guy's even looking. Oh shit, cop.
Oh my god, you know that cop heard too.
What cop?
No,
I want to see that reaction. The first.
Ah, damn, why is the cop going to be there? All the hookers are going to be right there.
Of course, that's why the cop is there.
Oh my god, I'm getting low on air. Not
Shit,
that
how do
low,
you know?
but... Don't shake it!
He knows all about air horns.
You don't shake them.
Why?
Now it's gonna get cold. Beware of dog. Where's this dog?
Killed it.
Serious. The hooker ate it. The bitch. Stole it
Smokers tried to smoke it.
she sold it for crack money.
Yeah. Oh man.
We're gonna have to like make a U-turn and get to, oh, I just have to, but we can't do it because the cop.
It's killing me.
Fuck it.
He's gonna pull all the cars over.
He pulled another
You have
cop
air
over.
horns. Oh.
They're probably just talking like, yeah, I found a hooker. Where's yours?
She gave me a blowjob to let her off.
Oh my god!
I screamed, oh my god, freaking.
That's why they don't like white people.
Because we warned them.
Those bitches are crazy. My like toilet paper, my butt crack is like forming.
I know.
It's like really filling up the ear.
Like a tampon. in your
What
ear.
else can we air horn but hookers?
Blacks.
They'll shoot you. They'll shoot you, Stephanie.
We just go into my neighborhood.
Oh god. No, what? Oh my god, who do we know? Shit.
Oh yeah.
I wish we would just like go into a restaurant and do it, but we don't have the balls.
I totally do.
Would you? Like with the big one?
No,
just,
not the big
just like
one.
sit at the table and put it under and be like, ah! Like, oh my god.
I would actually really do that.
I would fucking die. Is that a cop behind us? No.
Don't say that.
They can't prove it.
Yes, they can!
Like, no, what are they gonna do? You have an air horn. No, we don't. Just throw it out the window at a hooker.
Don't do it. Oh wait, he's just handing the other one.
Oh no, he has a gun. He has a gun. What? Did the hooker yell?
Yes.
I heard a woman. Was it a hooker yelling?
Yes.
It's a guy. Okay, I'm laughing to myself.
Damn it, I wanted to honk at it.